Hi, I'm Jared Chambers, and today we want to talk about moisture stress. So far this year, we're running below average rainfall, probably at about 60 to 85%. Now, there is no substitute for water, but what can we do to keep this plant growing? Well, proper plant nutrition is one of the key factors to limit this yield loss and really drive water use efficiency. The moisture stress shows itself when the rate of transpiration by the leaf exceeds the rate of supply of water from the soil. So let's talk about those two variables. The first one being the water from the soil. It's critical that we have our root system accessing that water that's in the soil, and within that soil water is a whole bunch of vital nutrients that drives photosynthesis and rooting. Nutrients such as zinc, phosphorus, copper, manganese, boron, and calcium. Now, the second variable in moisture stress is transpiration. And transpiration is the rate at which water is released through the stomata in the leaves, and subsequently the rate at which it takes up new water from the soil solution. And when it takes up that new water is when it takes up nutrients. And two nutrients that are critical for water management in the leaves is nutrients such as potassium and manganese. Now, when it comes to nutrition, there's four key things that nutrition can do to help with water use efficiency. The first one is good, proper plant nutrition drives rooting into the soil system to access that soil water. The second thing that proper plant nutrition does is by this robust root system, it acquires these critical nutrients, both the non-mobile ones such as zinc and phosphorus, but even these mobile nutrients that may be temporarily stranded such as nitrogen, boron, and sulfur. The third key thing in terms of nutrition is be sure that we add a good biostimulant to it to help overcome some of this water stress. The Transit S technology does just that. Through some good genetic expression work, it showed that even with water stress, the rate at which photosynthesis happens and subsequently the rate of water uptake by the soil was not impacted. The fourth thing that nutrition really does is it helps that plant during some stressful times of herbicide application. When there's a lack of transpiration in the plant, it's difficult for that plant to break down that herbicide. With proper plant nutrition or the addition of plant nutrition with that herbicide, it helps alleviate some of that stress. So when we roll up these four things that nutrition do in regards to managing our water supply, this is where an application of RELEAF at herbicide timing supplies the critical nutrients to address these issues and ultimately drive the photosynthetic efficiency of the plant and help push that plant through these very difficult times. To learn more about RELEAF, go to our website today at atpnutrition.ca. Thank you.